In this video, we will show you how to disable email decode min.js. When you open the page source on your website and there is existing email-decode.min.js and you don't know where is email decode.min.js came from, it actually came from the Cloudflare. If you're using Cloudflare, just open your Cloudflare and we can disable them. After you log in into the Cloudflare account, select your domain name. In this case, my domain name is weirdata.com. And on the left menu, select Script Shield. You can see there is Script Shield. After that, you can click Script Shield here. And then you can disable the email decode.js by disable the email address obfuscation menu. Just turn off this feature. After that, you need to clear all your cache if you're using plugin or cache system on your website to make sure the JS doesn't include again. And that's all tutorial how to disable the email decode.min.js. Hope this video helpful for you.